April shower brings May flower, and as for me today, I am bringing you a new listing. A fully detached 3 bedrooms, 4 bathroom with a finished basement gem. I'm Gémma Leggett with 𝘃𝑗𝐿𝑀 Group. Welcome to my new listing. Move in Barrie and enjoy season festivals, lake life, shopping, amazing restaurant. This property is located on a quiet court, 5 minutes away from the Highway 400, 10 minutes from the lake, and around the corner from school and shopping. Check it out. Barrie's great location allows for easy commuting while still offering a peaceful surrounding. It offers great hiking trails, winter and summer outdoor recreation, seasonal festivals, amazing shopping and restaurants, high-ranking schools, and I must say, I really love going on long walks and admire the serene waterfront scenery. There is never a dull moment here. Built in 1999, this fully detached 3-bedroom home has all attention and detail one would need. Just under 1,500 square feet plus a finished basement, there is space for everyone in your family. You will also find a covered porch to put away your muddy shoes in the spring. A large entryway, tons of natural light, gleaming bamboo floors, 2 full bathrooms and 2 powder rooms, an office space, a modern kitchen with elegant backsplash, a ton of storage. Let's see it.
We belong here, we belong together. Here's my heart, dear, you can keep forever. If you're wondering where your home should be, you belong here with me. So come home, so come home to me.
From the eat-in kitchen, walk out to a fully fenced backyard. Sit on the deck and enjoy your morning coffee. And if you love to entertain, listen, this house is for you. Imagine the barbecues you will host there. All you have to do is call the movers, pack your bag, and move right in. The full brochure is in the description below. If you can't find all the information you need, I'm just one phone call away. I'm Gémma Leggett with 𝘃𝑗𝐿𝑀 Group, and until next time.